Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your PC's default language. First, begin by clicking the Start button, typically found in the bottom left corner of your screen. From there, locate and open the Settings application, which often looks like a gear icon. Once in Settings, you'll want to find and select the Time and Language section. This is your initial step to customizing your computer's linguistic experience. Now that you're in the time and language settings, look for Language and Region on the left-hand side and click it. Under the Preferred Languages section, you'll see an option to add a language. Click this, and a new window will appear, allowing you to search for your preferred language. Once you've found it, select it and then click Next to move forward with the installation process. Before installing, you'll see options to include a language pack, text-to-speech, and handwriting support. Select the features you need, then click Install to download the necessary components. After installation, return to the Language and Region settings. Click the three dots next to your newly added language and select Move up until it's at the very top of the list. A restart of your computer will ensure all changes take full effect. If you encounter any issues, first ensure you have a stable internet connection for language pack downloads. Sometimes, checking for and installing any pending Windows updates can resolve unexpected problems. Remember that some specific applications might have their own internal language settings that need to be adjusted separately. Also, double-check your regional format settings to ensure they align with your chosen language for a consistent experience across your system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.